What is Shopify and how does it work? Hey there, I'm Savan and today we are diving into a question I get asked all the time. What is Shopify and how does it work? Well, to start with, this is Shopify.com and it says a lot about what Shopify is. And if you click on this button, it tells about the Shopify story. And this is amazing. You must be going to Shopify.com and look at it. There are millions of merchants worldwide, 170 plus countries, 10% of total US e-commerce, and much more. Your store, your way, building an online storefront, crafting the brand you want, sell to every buyer everywhere, the best converting checkout on the planet, flexible point of sale to power your retail store, from first touch to full funnel, engage with customers, data you can build, streamline your back office, fulfill every order, manage your money. So Shopify has pretty much all of it, and these are some of the merchants who have been successful on Shopify. You can click on the video, you can look at the testimonials, and these are real testimonials. So you have blogs, you have online courses, you have community, you have help center, you have all of it, all that a small business owner needs. You have everything right here. So if you look at the solutions, these are the solutions that Shopify offers. You can build your brand, online store editor, store themes, Shopify app store, domains, hostings, sell online, world-class checkout, managing your business, marketing across social, chat with customers, nurturing, ship orders. So you have everything that you can think of. Then you have all the resources that you would need. You have the pricing structure of Shopify, starting from a free trial to paying monthly, yearly, different Shopify plans. And if you look at the features, it's like endless. You get almost everything that you might need as a e-commerce seller. You have everything. No matter which part of the globe you are in, you get almost everything from Shopify. Then you have some alternative solutions for your business and so much more. That's Shopify for you in brief. You have resources. We already talked about this. What is Shopify? Shopify editions, marketing. So you can look at these. Then you have some essential tools: business name generator, logo maker, link to bio tool, QR code generator, all of that. So pretty much everything that a business owner might need is here. So whether you're looking to move your physical business online, start a brand new store, or just curious about this popular platform, you are in the right place. And if you want to sign up today, check out the link that I have in the description, or check out the link somewhere, and you will get a free trial to Shopify. And you will once again read all the stories from some successful business owners who have used Shopify. You start with building your dream business for $1 a month. Sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. Or if you're from India, you get it for 20 rupees only. We have some FAQs, and that's pretty much. So what is Shopify? In a nutshell, Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that helps you create and manage an online store with ease. So that is the definition of Shopify. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife of e-commerce. It is used by millions of merchants worldwide, from small businesses to huge brands like Kyle and Anchor. So these are huge brands. So whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services, Shopify has got you covered. It's designed to automate many tasks so you can focus on what matters most, and that is growing your business. Let's start with the basics. Shopify lets you build stunning websites in just a couple of hours. I would say not even hours, in maybe 30 minutes or an hour. So even if you have zero web development experience, you do not need any web development experience at all, and you can have your Shopify store up and running. I built my first Shopify store about 12 years back, and I was doing a good amount of business then without having any knowledge of what a website is, what domains are, I did not know anything, but I was able to publish a store using Shopify 12 years back. Today, Shopify is, I would say, 100 times better than it was 12 years back. So imagine the kind of features and options that you would be having today. You can choose from tons of templates, customize them to fit your brand, and boom, you have got a professional looking online store ready to go without even having to hire a web design agency or an e-commerce agency. These are some of the templates or themes, as Shopify calls it, that you can use. Themes, you have 1212 themes. You can sort it in different orders. Then on the left, you have the options to filter. So we just clicked on, happened to click on aisle. This is not working. Why is that? It's a bit slow actually, I think. Yeah, so here you have the options to filter by free themes or paid themes, by industry, and so on. So you have this Dawn, Trade, Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, Craft, and others as free themes. You can filter by industry, you can filter by any products you are willing to sell, and then some of the features that are there. You can choose one of the free theme, like I chose Refresh. I can have a look at the demo store, and it's a beautiful store. Imagine you can create a store like this by just clicking on the few buttons. Replace the images, replace the text and the content, and you have a complete store for yourself without having to do a single line of code. The mobile view, the desktop view, all of it is right here. So once your site is up, you can list products, track inventory, manage marketing campaigns, and even integrate with other softwares. So this is how the backend looks like for Shopify. Here you can add products, you can create collections, you can manage inventory, you can manage your orders, customers, content, finances, analytics, marketing, discounts, everything from the comfort of your laptop. And the best part, it is all cloud based. You can manage your store from anywhere, your laptop, your phone, you name it. Shopify isn't just for physical products. You can sell digital goods like ebooks, services like coaching, and even gift cards. Plus, if you have a physical store, Shopify also has a point of sale system that integrates everything seamlessly. And let's not forget social media. You can set up shop on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, making it super easy for customers to buy your products directly from their feeds. Shopify also offers robust analytics. You can see who visited your website, what they bought, and even get alerts when your inventory is low. It's like having a full-time business analyst on your team. And do not forget about content. Shopify also lets you add a blog to your website. For example, if you sell kitchen supplies, you could add blogs about recipes or kitchen hacks. This drives organic traffic to your store and certainly promotes your products. More of security. Well, Shopify is a secure cloud-based and hosted platform, which means you can safely access your data from any compatible device with an internet connection. This gives you the flexibility to run your business from anywhere and everywhere. And if you need more functionality, you have Shopify apps. The Shopify App Store has thousands of applications or plugins, from email marketing with MailChimp to advanced SEO tools. There's an app for almost everything that your e-commerce store might ever need. Let's have a look at the Shopify App Store, which is loading. Okay, let us have a look at Shopify apps. That's the Shopify App Store. So you have pretty much everything that you can think of. Shopify email, point of sale, Google and YouTube, Shopify inbox, TikTok, Shopify search, Pinterest, Judge Me for reviews, Klaviyo for email marketing, Instagram feeds, print on demand, page fly, page builders, whatever you can think of. You can browse the apps by utility, by sales channels, selling products, store design, store management, orders and shipping, finding products, marketing and conversion, you name it, and you have everything right here. That's okay. We come back to our presentation. Here it is. So to give you some inspiration, let's look at the list of few top stores that use Shopify. So I did a Google search of brands that use Shopify, and here is a list of those. I think you would be knowing a lot of these: Heinz, Red Bull, Kylie, Beefcake, Provy, Cowboy, Atisha. So these are a lot of things, a lot of good brands that use Shopify. So what's the catch? Honestly, there is not any catch. Shopify is incredibly user friendly and comprehensive. Sure, if you need extreme customization, you might look at other options like WordPress, but for 95% of businesses, for e-commerce businesses, Shopify is the way to go. And why I say this with so much of confidence? Because I have been into the business of website design and development for over 10 years now. We have built websites on WordPress, we have built websites on Shopify, on Magento, custom, and a lot of different platforms. But if you are on e-commerce and until you require some extreme customizations, you should be on Shopify. It is the most secure platform, it is the easiest one, it is a complete library, it is the best platform, I would say, for e-commerce. If you are on e-commerce, you should be on Shopify, no matter at what stage you are, whether you're just starting up or you're already doing $1 million in revenue. Shopify is the place for your e-commerce too. So ready to get started? I have a detailed tutorial link below. It's packed with everything you need to know, from setting up your store to integrating print-on-demand services like Printful. By the way, if you decide to use Shopify and want to support the channel, you can sign up using my affiliate link. Well, it won't cost you anything extra. Rather, it would give you a free trial. So hit on the link below to sign up for my complete Shopify course or to sign up on Shopify. All of the links you'll find in the description. And if you have any questions, anything that you want to know about Shopify, feel free to ask me in the comments below and I'll be there to answer it all for you.